अहानबदा मियाम दा मरुबा पाउ थमजरे नोंग हेक तारकपदा इसिंग इचाउ थोक्लिबसे लोकताक्ता तागदबा khonglamsing phulamba amadi thong ayamba pikpana oirambadagini haina Chief Minister N.Biren phongdokhre Oidaba ma lotshinnaba hotnabada Oidaba chama ngangi haibadu Congress Party da thokle haina BJP Manipur Pradesh ki wangangloi bijoi na haikhre amadi Achumba phangnaba High Court amadi Supreme Court chatuna thengnagani haina Jenimsta masa checkup tawnaba purakhiba Kishorchand Wangkhemcha na miyam da phongdokhre Kurumjari Times of Manipuri News yengbiro punungpu kumantem gentle na taram nokjari hujing miyam da pauk sandok na pijari Mayang Imphal Kendra gi manung chanba usiwa amadi Phobaksaw gi area da LDA na paikhatliba drainage tawbagi hojik oiriba phibam Chief Minister N.Biren na hakthengna na chatuna yengshinkhre Chief Minister N.Biren na usiwa da leiba thongran bida paikhatliba drainage amadi Phobaksaw makha lekai mangkhonggi paikhatliba drainage sengdokpa amadi tawbagi phibam sing hakthengna na chatuna yengshinkhe khongchat aduda Chief Minister N.Biren na nong hek tarakpada ising ichaw thoklibasi karigino haina thigatluba matamda loktakta tagadaba drain sing asi loina phulamba amadi culvert ayamba pikpana oiramkhe maram aduna mathangi nongju laktringaida loktakta taba drain mafam taret rom khandoklaga sengdokpa amadi kothokpagi thabak asi paikhatpani masi tawrabadi ising ichawdagi kanba ngamgani amaromda Tom TV na hangba wahang amagi paukhumda waishal marin asi mamingdagi ngaire mafam asida niyamgi wangmada lam khopsiliba asi lokthokpiyo haikhe Yengshin khongchat aduda Mayang Imphal Kendra ge MLA Su Oiriba Deputy Speaker K. Robindro, MLA Rameswar, MLA Dingo, MLA Setyabrata, Wanggoi SDO Y. Nelson, LDA ge Director L. Bagaton amadi atai official kyasu saruk yakhe.
Aduna huji drainage mafam taret natra kuin tawduse. Drainage mafam turin sidagi masi turin ji pulap tare. Thawal su tare, Imphal su tare, Kongba su tare, irizu loi pule. Sigi tara aba maru sidai da koina makhong sidai da loktakta direct tagi na bagi mafam taret kumba koi identify tawre. Mafam ani di loire. Ani loire huji akoina yengori ba singdu thabuk shogri dune. Sidai da koina huji yang kana darkar lai si culvert hanagi apikpa culvert hapami se achoba culvert okhat padar kam lai. Waishel maril lai si maming da gi ngai re ba. Imphal manung da khongba nang ba samana re. Ka drainage amga loina khopsan nakre. Aduna aina waishal maril gi nakal da leibiri ba mayam da ina appeal tawning badi koi government gi scheme su hana mamang da mo paikhat khare khangi aina FCD minister boring da maduna success oidramen huji anoba scheme ma koi paikhat chage khopsal liba sajal liba drain manung da sajal liba do mado isa isa na kitang voluntarily se koi phobok chawgi mayam phangi si turin si da turin manung maya da sarma mayam loi lokthokre market sarma kolom loi lokthokre suma ina voluntary di moi kenogi waishal marine gi khong manung da sajal liba khopsal liba singdo loktho haningi
Oidaba ma lotshinnaba hotnabada Oidaba chama ngangi haibadu Congress Party da thokle Congress Party ase senja thumja ge case kya senabada mamai chamlaba political party amasu oire haina BJP Manipur Pradesh ki wangangloi songtham bijoi na haikhre wafam ase ngase Kanchipur da leiba BJP Manipur Pradesh ke temporary office ta pangthokiba paumi singa unaba amada haikhebani Mangna haike Imphal da laklamba AICC ge National Secretary Gaurav Gogoina Rafael gi jet leibagi matang da phongdoklamba wafam sing adu aranba yumpham yaudaba ngaktani BJP na chahi mari makhai sasan tawrokpada senja thumja ge wathok ama fawba leitabasida Congress Party na maral sinaba honabani India da kumja lising amaga chamapan nifu taretage sarkar pairakhiba sai khudingmakta senja thumja ge wathok kya chenaduna lakli Army ki jip laiba koila gi wathok submarine laiba 2G scam amadi Bofor scam gi wathok sing thabagi loiba nairaroi Hojik Lok Sabha gi mikhal matam nakchilakpa matam asida Congress Party na BJP da maral sinaba honabada sinpham leitabadagi choiron lonba horakpani haikhe Social media da taban waitaba wahi ngang sakpaga loinana Mayo lengaki mayokta wafong kaya phongdoi haibagi maral siduna NSC gi makhada fajinduna jail da thamliba Kishorchand Wangkhemcha nangasi jail authority na Jenims ki OPD da puraktuna mahaki haksang gi fibam check up tawnaba lakpada Kishorchand mahaki mathakta lengak na siriba maral asi yaningde Achumba phangnaba High Court amadi Supreme Court ta chatuna thengnagani haina phongdokhre
Are you being provided with all the facilities by the jail?
The statement issued by the jail authority yesterday was sugar-coated, was a half-baked story. If you really want to know what's been going on, come to the jail, dine with me for one dinner, and you know what is being given to us, to the NSA. Everything is sugar coated. If you started believing in those half-cooked story, then your career as a journalist is coming to an end. So come to the jail. You'll know what is being provided, what sort of facility is provided. Forget about the library. Even the jail authority is collecting money from the inmates for water. Remember this. Ising, aikoigi iruzana na ising. Law nabi the mokrasu koi ising hamdain ising wale harna. Jail authority na jail la yumi sini paisa khaiga laga. Bal ising am changwa se. Koigi sector among the ising pi sugumba jail authority na library me run tawraga library da koi inmates na lari pahalam ne have mangbu mangga. That is a sugar coated story.
Do you really think you will be under the threat for making such comment in public from the jail authority?
I don't think so, because it's a democracy. When the threat arises, so I'll bear it, I'll fight to the nail until I'm released and until the NSA is revoked.
Mamang sahigi September 8 UP the thokiba laibak thiba thokdok amada uripok asom laikai degi chanam province ki misiga mari leina semkiba People's Action Committee PAC against the brutal killing of Province Sanamgi volunteer singna case asibo loishin bidana amadi namsinduna thambabu yaningdaba phongdoktuna ngasi numit yungba matung pung 12 makhai adwaida lamphel pata leiba Central Bureau of Investigation ge officer thomjinkhre go back CBI we want justice mathong masakhangdaba CBI Manipur gi leimai da leiba yaroi North East ki miyoi singda hanthaba mityeng thamba yaningde haiba kholau kaya lauduna PSC ki volunteer singna CBI ki office tamna sangsilakhe adubu security personnel singna CBI office ki gate yauguda bakhara watlingai da thatuna thamkhe maduda nakal ani gi marakta ngaihak muknaba amadi unkhanaba thokhe tungda Imphal West ki SP Jogesandra masa laktuna PSC ki makok thongba miyoi taret thangatuna SP masa yauna CBI Imphal branch ki in charge kamaranga unahankhe Unatheba adugi paudam piraduna PSC ki convener Laimiyum Kisu Sarmana hai matam sangna province sana misi ki matangda langla langjin puthoktana misi asibu CBI amadi UP government ta kupsinduna thambaga loinana thengkhang kya da delay tactics sanaduna lakle numit tarani gi manungda investigation asigi matangda tangdangba ama khanghan laktrabadi CBI office asimak solonsin na chingba khongjang kya sangsilagani haina mahangna phongdokhe
Manipur the CBI akhoi insasuna lebiri akhoi sar khamrang da khoina thamjarmo famje mana jo yam kana de habire yage mana de yamna kanna kendo budam de ju mana line do samna kan hona jage ko kena ado khoi mande da koi si meyam akhoi document me fighting mo da thajalaga mana sungam tharaga dugi reply phangbagi line ju mana mitre des podi khoi population committee site ge mai be meyam site ge thamjira me ado adu baudi ngai minar je da ma habire masi je ado tente pau de khoi ngai ni adugi ngai matung da yak jaga de khoi khongjong adu khongdang lak khoi khongjong mu lemnar ge
Paugi maraktan aten babre matang longminase.
Blue Scent Christmas and New Year offer sale. Come and grab this offer. Pick any items and get 50% flat discount. Offer valid till 10 January 2019. Blue Scent exclusive showroom, Changangai Ghari Airport Road, Imphal.
Break ki matungda miyam da makha taba pau pijare. Koirengai da laiba chamaga marifuni suba BSF na Civic Action Program gi makha da Moirangpuren Island Block Risipung Leisipung Tumukhong Mafau Kuki amadi Molkon gi tongan ba local club singda football volleyball nets amadi stocking sing khusinakre local club ki sanaroi sing amadi BSF ani gi marakta marup mapang gi oiba volleyball match amasu sanakre haire Nifu humdoi suba Assam Rifles na More da pre-Christmas ke thoram pangthok pagaloina na More town ge akoi bada leiba tongan ba search tara manga ge lusing ba sing amadi JJ Children Home da leiba angang sing da asa thak yauna polam kya khusina kre haire thoram madu da Nifu humdoi suba Assam Rifles ke deputy commandant RK Sharma amadi Major Akshay Saruk yakhe Nambol Municipal Council ge Ward number 3 amadi manga gi BJP ge councillor Chingakham Aruna amadi Laisram Biramani Singh yauna hanagi councillor oirambada natana BJP Nambol Mandalgi Vice President Chinga Khamnaba Kumar Singh INC da yaukre makoina INC da yaubgi ayaba pikhibaga loinana kudaktagi Nambol Block Congress ki member oina thabak tawba hongnabasu khangankhre. Loktak Kendra Vidyalaya NHPC Loktakta Class 9 tamba mahiroi ani school dagi thokhibadagi thiba khangdana leire haire. Thiba khangdana leiriba mahiroi ani adu Moirangi Sunusifai dagi Laithangbam Raj Singh Chahi Taramari Apopa Tiken Amadi Khoijuman Mamang Likai dagi Songtham Holland Chahi Tarahumdoi Apopa Udoisan Kowi Makoi ani ngarang ayuk pung tara makai taba matamda school dagi thokhibadagi thiba khangdana leirakibani thokdok asigi matangda school gi principal na Loktak Police Station da wakachirol ama pisilak le haire. Hero I League season lisingani taranipan taramapanda saruk yariba lamdamasigi ama tangairiba football club ama oiriba Neroka FC gi mangarak suba home ground match hayeng nungthil pung ani taba matamda Kumulampak main stadium da Neroka FC amadi Minerva Punjab FC sanaragani haina ngasi Classic Grand da pangthokiba Paumi singa unaba amada Punjab FC gi head coach amadi technical director oiriba Paul Munster na haikhre. Magna makhata na haiki I League ki mamang sahigi winner oikraba Minerva Punjab FC na thengnagadauba match asi araiba ama oiroi adumoinamak Neroka FC bu maithiba pinaba honagani haikhe.
The preparation has been tight because we just had a game 2 days ago. We travelled yesterday, so we've had a lot of rest. So today we will train straight after this. Try and prepare as much as we can. So we've watched a few videos, some games of them, so we've been looking at their strengths and their weaknesses. So we'll go according to that, and then we'll have a plan for tomorrow's game.
Paumi singa unabadu da saruk yakiva Neroka FC ge head coach Manuel Retamero Frelina Neroka FC ge home match oiba maramna match adu thoinamgi damak sem saba loire hojik leiriba point tally dagi handadanaba honagani haikhe.
From the beginning, from the first day is to find our way, what I want from our style, not just my style, because maybe I don't have the players that I need. The most important is to find that. And we are walking properly. Now we are on the way, and we must keep that. And that is the most important. Check the opposite is important too. But the most important is to keep our level, our momentum also, and of course to keep this time also in our stadium, also with our fans, supporters, you also guys, the journalists. That is very important to play not just with 11 players, 12 plus the journalists and everyone. We must keep that because after in January we don't play here. We must go away and we must keep more points here.
Paugi maraktana ten babre amaga luxury.
Watch Live in Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Live in Style, every Saturday night 7:30, only on Tom TV.
Mayam bamukana taram lokchari. South Kashmir ge Pulwama district ta security forces ka khutthongnabada lalhogba taruk sire haire. Awantipora area ge Arampora khungangda lalhogba sing leire haibege akhanaba paw ama phangmadage mafam aduda security force na thiba humbagi thabak sathabada lalhogba singa nongmai kapnabagi thodok adu thokhibani. Thodok thokpamdage afaba makhalgi nongmai maru Laikhidraba lalhogani haina chingnariba sing adugi masak takpa ngamba se sangkayasu phangba ngamle haire. Congress High Command ngarang Karnataka ge anuba sungsinaba government semnaba yathang pikhibaga iroinana Minister Oidaba singi maming list semdok khibaga loinana cabinet chauthokpagi thabak ngasi pangthoklagani. Congress leader CS Sivali, MTB Nagaraj, BT Tukaram, MB Patil, Rahim Khan, RB Tamapur, PT Parameswar Naik amasung Satish Sarki Holina Bengaluru gi Raj Bhavanda Minister oina ngasi wasak lawrgani haire. Paugi matungina Satish Zarki Holina cabinet changlakpa galoinana Municipal Administration Minister Ramesh Zarki Holi fam thadokpa yai haire. Arunachal Pradesh ki Chief Minister Pema Khanduna Prime Minister Narendra Modi bu North East maruaina Arunachal Pradesh ki marup ni haikhre. Arunachal Pradesh na state oirakiba sahi kunturuk asida Union Minister Yankhai dagi tadana lakhi haire. Lishingani Taramarida, Modina Prime Minister Oikraba Union Minister Sama Kuntra Hana Lakre Haire, Modina Mukhana Sarkar Parak Laba Matunda Su, Asiguma Tabakaya Parakani Haina, Magna Tazaba, Phongdokhre. Hause ngasi ayu phongkiba Manipuri pause singe moriba pawmu puna khaminase.
Angai Express Agreement inakibadu Manipur gi juko gamari leinade Chief Minister Sarendra Singh unarmed personnel oihanaba khanari police na farga laikidabagi magistrate inquiry chatharani Nongmagi bank strike chathakre December thagi talab kaiba yare pokna firm Manipur Protection from Mob Violence Bill Lishingani Taranipan House na pass thoklre victims hiradi mara laibasing punsigi phadok pidori case amagi CBI na red chathabada nongmai maru kaya phangbadagi police na assistant commissioner fakhre Gaffer Sivada Senaba personnel maga suspend tore Kishorchand gi petition government gi paukum piraknaba khangankhre Phungjathang tonsingbu ikai khumnaba utkre Uyen Lan Pau Manipur Legislative Assembly gi mifam saini dai adjourn tokre Manipur Protection from Mob Violence Bill Lishingani Taranipan yauna bill ahum pass tokre CBI na custom gi assistant commissioner gi yum officer red chathakre police na custom gi FC RK Darendrajit Phare Workers Welfare Board gi mifam na lokhiba warep sing sana handanava High Court na khangankhre Delhi Manipur Bhaban gi canteen menu da ok thongba yawbasi kakthat piu Abdul Nasir Naharol gi thogdang Custodial killing the Chenaba security personnel abata lemna tharoi Commando mga suspend tokre Chenaba Air Police ta sinaraknaba Home Ministry da khangankhre Chief Minister Wangu Valley Bridge Lishingani Taramapan gi March fawbagi manungda lotshinnaba honari TH Biswajit State asida nganu yena chingba halambagi thokdok chada marifutara romde German Shepherd hui gumbana tawba thengnai Shyam Kumar Ichel Express Manipur gi boundary gi matang da lam machet amata compromise tawroi Manipur gi Juko Valley Nagaland da pikhiba leite athubada Juko Valley taba lambi sembalo shilagani Chief Minister Manipur da handak miyam na kinawang nganu yen hatpagi wathok ase hui loiribasing na thoan bani Shyam Kumar Sana Leiva Custom gi Assistant Commissioner gi yum Officer Red Thoklre Custom gi Assistant Commissioner RK Darendrajit Police na Phare Custody da mi sihanbada senaba AR gi personnel sing phanaba honagani Chief Minister Abdul Graffer hatpada senaba personnel punamak phagadabani Jaikishan Ireiva Yen nganu hatok lamba adu chada marifutara romde mukshan oigani Juko da natana Manipur gi lam enchi ama fawba mangangloi boundary gi chayanaba lotshinnaba center da khangankhre miyam na lengoi puba gari sing thingjinkhre
Aroibada Moriba Paw Mukana Fangbigani Nong hek tarakpada eshing echao thoklibasi loktakta tagadaba khonglamsing phulamba amadi thong ayamba pikpana oirambadagini haina Chief Minister N.Biren phongdokhre Oidaba ma lotshinnaba hotnabada Oidaba sama ngangi haibadu Congress Party da thokle haina BJP Manipur Pradesh ki wangangloi CH bijoi na haikhre amade Achumba phangnaba High Court amadi Supreme Court chatuna thengnagani haina Jennings ta masa sekap tawnaba purakhiba Kishorchand Wangkhemcha na miyam da phongdokhre Hojiki oinadi matang sida Manipuri paw loijare ahenba paw goloinena Tom TV gi mathangi Manipuri paw numidang pung 8 dong phongbigani